Hey guys, welcome back to NextGen blog and in this video I want to show you how to transform object using geometry nodes in Blender. Now geometry nodes in itself is a very vast subject and I wanted to start it off with something basic and simple. And so what we are going to do is we will transform this cube using geometry nodes and change it into something else. Now, we can do the same thing by changing the values inside location, rotation and scale parameters which are present inside object properties. But I want to show you how you can do it using geometry nodes. And so without further delay, let's get started. Now, the first thing that you need to do is you need to click on this geometry nodes menu which is present right here. Next, you need to click on this new button. Now the moment you click on the new button, you're going to see two nodes appear. The first one is the group input node and the second one is the group output node. Also, you will realize that geometry nodes in reality is a modifier, and that's the reason the modifiers tab opens up on the right hand side. Next, what you need to do is you need to press Shift A. Now go to geometry, and inside geometry you need to go to operations. And inside operations, you need to select this option, that is transform geometry. Now place the transform geometry node between the group input node and the group output node. And the moment you place the transform geometry node between the group input node and the group output node, you will see that both the nodes automatically connect themselves to it. Next, you need to change the values inside translation, rotation and scale parameters to transform the cube. So if you change the values inside translation, you can move the cube. If you change the values inside rotation, you can rotate the cube. And if you change the values inside scale, you can scale the cube. Now, once you're satisfied with the outcome, what you need to do is you need to click on this downwards arrow which is present right here, and now you need to select this option, that is apply, and that's it. This is how you can transform any object using geometry nodes in Blender. So that's it guys, this is how you can transform any object using geometry nodes in Blender. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will again see you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.